Hey guys, welcome back. Directly behind our house is a beautiful bluebonnet patch. These were last month's bloom that bloomed in our garden and that we made a small arrangement with. So we have some new blooms blooming in the garden and we're going to make a simple, cute flower arrangement. So let's go harvest these flowers and let's create a super cute arrangement. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace, love, and flowers.